Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Mimi Brown. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today I use, that's right, it's that Artist Couture collab with Jackie Aina, and this is the color Le Bronze, and I also mixed it in with Le Peach because the last time that she launched Le Bronze, I tried to get it, but it was sold out, and so this time I was like, little sis, look, when you launch it, like, make sure that I know so that I can get it. And she was like, big sis, don't worry about it. I got you. I got you. So this conversation may have only occurred in my mind, and that's okay. But, you know, that's how it went. So I was able to cop it this time. I was like, oh, sis, you so girl. Thank you. No, but seriously, if you would like to see how I created this look right here, then please keep watching. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off and I'm going to prime my eye using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, which is right here. So I'm going in back in that Athena palette right here. And this is the one that is from Hush, like $10 palette. So I'm gonna take this lure right here. I'm gonna try to lure you in a little bit right here. And I'm going to mix that in with Heroic, which is kind of like a browner red. I don't know why my camera's having a problem with focusing today. You all right, lens? You're good? Okay. I just really want to know why this just happened. Like, why? Why did it come off? What am I gonna do with that now? Okay, so now that I've broken my brush and I've gotten some type of a transition color, even though it's not the color I was going for, I think I'm gonna use this brown right here from the Morphe Jacqueline Hill palette right here. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Brun by MAC, kind of like a deep color right here, and this is the color Brun by MAC, and I'm going. That's the mail truck. If y'all hear it, it's just being real disrespectful right now. Like, I needed to pick a time of day that it's going to come so that I can attempt to film around them. So I'm going to take both Le Bronze and Le Peach. I'm gonna take this flat brush right here by MAC. This is the 213 SE brush right here. So, y'all ready to see this? Are y'all ready? Are you ready? Here we go. I know y'all are seeing a true rose gold situation right here. And I'm gonna take Le Peach. And I'm just gonna pop that right in the corner of my eye. A little carried away. Okay, I got a lot carried away, but that's all right. Now, I am gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. So I am going to use my Kat Von D in the color D33 Warm. This is the Lock It concealer. Y'all see this hair situation? I'm not leaving it like this. I'm not gonna be, you know, Jada Pinkett in The Matrix. I'm gonna take it down, and hopefully in my head it's gonna give me some really big waves. So I'll let y'all see that too if it works out. If not, you know, just be pulled back in the ponytail with the face being the highlight. With the highlight. Ha! Y'all get it? Okay. Too much, maybe. I'll take it. You know, I start rocking when I start seeing that cheekbone come to life. So you already know I'm gonna take my thick girl, Black Opal, girl, I done changed her whole name. Okay, Black Opal, and this is once again the color Ebony Brown. And I'm gonna chisel that cheekbone out a little bit more, you know. And going back in with my Sasha Buttercup right here. So going in with LeBron's first, I'm going to glow. This one knows where you turn your head, you're like, huh? Oh, my cheekbone? Ah, girl, this is LeBron's. Thank you, though. I mean, I know Halloween is a good whiles away, but I feel like I will be sporting a 10 woman with LeBron's in the peach all over everywhere, just everywhere. I probably need to order some more. I don't even really celebrate Halloween, but I'm gonna be the 10 woman next year. And so now I am going to take my hair down. So my hair is still ironed out from when I had it ironed out like the week before Christmas. So this is like the almost 3 weeks. It's getting to the point where it's too stringy and like oily to be just straight. We're watching Glam Twins on YouTube. One of them though used to twist their hair to like from having to keep putting heat in it. And I actually saw Mono's hair. She did this the other day, except hers, you know, because she has like way thicker hair than I do. So I just twisted it and then put those hair bow ties on it, and I'm hoping that it will come out kind of like some deep beach waves. But I just literally like grabbed hair and twisted it. So just going through and pulling off the ponytail holder. I'm just gonna rake my hands through it. And so probably, like I said, like probably tonight after I do it, and then actually like, so I'm thinking that once I could actually sleep on it so that it could get more defined all the way throughout would actually be better. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Not exactly what I was going for as far as my hair is concerned, but I mean, who cares? Because you're about to be all kinds of distracted looking at this LeBron's and La Peach on these good old cheekbones, honey. But don't forget, taking the first step can be the hardest step, but it can also be the most rewarding. Go ahead, step out on faith, and trust God to see you through, and know that everything else will fall into place. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and make this channel a success. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what type of videos you would like to see next. Until next time, peace, love, and blessings. I'll see you next time. Bye. Happy New Year.